my Canva t-shirts arrived and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna unbox for you. Look at this, just so thoughtfully done. Makes you take a minute to look at the box before you jump into what's inside. But let's take a look and see what's inside. Okay, so this is the first one. Ooh, I love this one. Look at all the graphics. Everything came out printed really nicely. You can see everything. These t-shirts were done as a holiday gift, and so each t-shirt has some different information on it. They all have the same graphic on the back, which you'll see as we get further in the video. But I'm really impressed by how everything came out. The material of the t-shirts were great. The fit was true to size. I definitely plan on doing this again. But as you can see, each one has different graphics and different colors, all the same color t-shirt. But I was really impressed by how it was packaged, how quickly it came. Yeah,